We are ready to model the roof. In order to model the roof, we would like to go to the level 1, go to architecture, create a reference plane. I'm going to create a reference plane along the inside of this wall, drag it down, make sure I'm perfectly aligned and I see the dash line. It gives me the opportunity to name it, or I can name it over there. I'm going to call it north-south. So you'll see the name here, and when you pick the reference plane, you can actually see the name north-south over here. This reference plane allows me to compose a model looking at this cross-section using this reference as a composition base. It will extrude in this direction always, left to right. So if I wanted to extrude in that direction, I need to put it negative. Let's take a look at it. All right. So I go to the cross section. Here it is. And I'm ready to compose my roof. Let us compose the roof. So my roof, I'm going to call component. Go to component. Choose model in place. From the typologies it gives you, you want to choose roof. And very specifically, you want to do roof because it has certain abilities as a roof. It gives you a name. If you like to change it, change it. Roof 1 is fine with me. I say okay. Then it gives you all of these typologies to extrude. We're going to do simple extrusion from the cross section, but it'll ask me from what plane. If it's done from level 1 or 2, it won't ask me, but if it's done from any section elevation, it'll ask me what reference plane. So either level 1, level 2, or level 3. I want to go off the plane north-south, that reference plane that I created, and I say okay. I'm working off the cross section, which is parallel to that north-south reference plane. I can use this very fast to create a polyline that's enclosed. Oops. One more time. This line. And Nazi, get your act together. Alrighty. So this is the other line, and I'm going to finish it here. Now I'm going to come back and clean it up here because I have a bird's mouth cut here, and I'm going to draw a line from here to here. I'm going to zoom in and clean it up. Here this is. Clean. There and there. Then I'm going to break this line, and I'm going to clean these two. Alrighty. Now I have a complete polyline. I would like to extrude it 5 feet. Let's see what happens. I know it's more than that. Say check. And then you say, nothing, what happened? Nazi, what happened to it? First of all, you have to check it twice. First, I want to go to the site plan to see where it is. It'll tell me where it is. So now, remember I said it extrudes to the right. I want to extrude it to this edge. If I have a wall, it recognizes the wall and snaps right to the edge of the wall. Pick this side, snap to the edge of the wall or to the middle of the wall. It has intelligence and it will tell you. So once I'm done, I can check mark it. Then I go to the 3D and it looks like this. I take this wall and I would like that wall to be attached to this roof, and it will do it perfectly for me. Now I go through the cross section, and I would like to see the cross section with solids shaded. Here you can actually see. If you want to hide your red lines, please do. Hide category. Here you can actually see my roof and my back wall and my other wing wall that's happening and my floor. If I want to look at it in 3D, you can actually see it like this, and you can see the indentation for the cut that we have for the wall.